Hi guys, so I'm back to do the draw for my doily giveaway, and thank you everyone who entered. And this prize will be winner takes all. So okay, now I don't have the laptop up here, so I need to go downstairs and I'll film the draw. But before I go, I just want to also thank Tony Williams from Kitty's Crafts Australia for her beautiful tie-dyed doilies, all of these colourful ones and your little skittles. Thank you, they are so beautiful. There were so many wonderful comments about these doilies. And also to Janie from Denica Creating for being so generous and donating these doilies for the giveaway all the way from Denmark. So beautiful. And there were lots of lovely comments about your doilies and a few little odds and pods that I've thrown in as well. Oh, and the little paper ones. They're so cute. Okay, so I'm going to nick downstairs and I'll film it and I'll be back in a moment with the winner. Okay, so I'm using randomcommentpicker.com. Come down here, I put in my URL, load the comments, tick, tick, tick. Okay, so it brings up my channel name, Bonny and Clive, my video name, Doily Giveaway. That's right. Scroll down and pick the winner. Oh, Rayleigh! And the winner is Crafts from the Dungeon, and that is Rayleigh. Oh my gosh, Rayleigh, I just got out of her live stream, and I was talking to her little son, the K-Man. He was showing me his rock collection. Oh my gosh, Rayleigh, congratulations. You are the winner of my doily giveaway. And that's funny because I just sent you a parcel today. If I had have held it for one more day, I could have popped it all in together. Anyway, I'm going to pop back up into my craft room and I will be back in a minute. Okay, so congratulations, Rayleigh. Crafts from my dungeon. Congratulations. You know, it's funny because I was actually just speaking to Rayleigh in her live stream only a couple of hours ago, and her lovely little adorable son, he was on showing us his rock collection as well. And congrats, Rayleigh. I'm so happy you won. I know you're a long time follower of my channel and you watch all my videos, and you've been a wonderful supporter. You've really cheered me along, and oh, I'm so glad you won. But thank you everyone for joining in, and if you missed this one, don't worry, I do have another giveaway coming up, and I haven't made it yet. But I will be turning this into a junk journal. This was made by Krista from Second Chance Creations, and she sent this to me in a happy mail, or I may have got it in my Beyond Blue fundraiser pack. I can't remember which, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I always said I was going to turn this into a junk journal, and I think it's only fitting. I wouldn't feel right turning it into one and selling it in my Etsy shop. I don't know. I just don't feel right selling stuff people gave me. Like, I don't mind putting little tags in journals and stuff like that, or I don't know. It's strange, but I think it's really fitting, Krista. You've been following my channel for a long time, and you've been a wonderful supporter, not just of me, but so many of our little channels. So I would love to turn this into a journal and use it for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And I'm sure anyone would be happy to win this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you missed out on the doily giveaway, don't worry, you've still got a chance to win a journal. in my 1000 subscriber giveaway, and I will do the video for that over the coming days. But thank you everyone for joining in, and congrats Rayleigh. I'll send this out to you tomorrow, so you'll be getting a couple of parcels this week. Okay, thank you for watching everyone and joining in. Bye.